Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Bookmarks in Word let you mark selected text and create a link to it. This lets you use the bookmark dialog box to find the text again instead of scrolling through the document. To create and insert a bookmark in Word, select the text to which to assign a bookmark. Alternatively, click into the document to place the insertion mark cursor at the location at which to set the bookmark. Then click the Insert tab in the ribbon. Then click the Bookmark button in the Links button group to open the Bookmark dialog box. In the Bookmark dialog box, enter the bookmark's name into the Bookmark Name field. Bookmark names must start with a letter. Bookmark names cannot contain any spaces. However, you can use the underscore symbol to separate words or numbers if desired. If you use an unacceptable character in the bookmark name field, then the Add button appears grayed out or unavailable, and you must change the name to continue. To create the bookmark and close the dialog box, click the Add button. To go to bookmarks after creating them, click the Insert tab in the ribbon. Then click the Bookmark button in the Links button group. In the Bookmark dialog box that then opens, select the bookmark to which to navigate from the list. Then click the Go To button. You then move to the selected bookmark's location in your document. To delete a bookmark, click the Insert tab in the ribbon. Then click the Bookmark button in the Links button group. In the Bookmark dialog box that opens, select the bookmark to delete from the list. Then click the Delete button. The bookmark is then immediately deleted.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.